Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the IONOS website builder. Let's get started. First go to ionos.com and click on website up here. Then click website builder. Next scroll down and click on a website package that's best suited for your needs. Then click on add to basket. Just go through the purchase and payment processes, then go to your IONOS account menu and click on websites and shops. In here, click on Edit Website right here. You can now start customizing your website. IONOS has made available to you templates that are fully customizable and has a drag and drop principle which makes it user-friendly. You can also add text, images, buttons, etc. by dragging them from the Builder's menu to your website. You can also adjust the layout, add pages, add elements, experiment with colors, and more. And that is how you can use the IONOS website builder. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.